зовут Oswald Cobblepot.
Мы знаем, кто ты, пингвин.
It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind. But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes, give up your sweet fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.
You're young. You have a good heart.
We all start out the same, with simple, naive trust, shielded from the many ways that life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place.
Я так сожалею, что не попал на похороны. Но ты сейчас, наверное, мной бы гордилась. Честно говоря, даже не знаю, справлюсь ли я без тебя.
And look how I have risen. But at what cost? Believe me when I tell you that this path you're on leads to nothing but destruction and pain.
And as you take that first step upon a path that's all your own, you see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the faded light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.
So sure your Boy Scout morality can protect this city, Jim?
Open up your eyes.
You and your little partners making moves to contest me. And Victor will end you with your own merchandise.
Understood.